Mr. Speaker, sir. Answer to star question 33. A, yes, sir. B, sir, the progress of the work is as per statement placed on the table of the House. C, sir, the project has been sanctioned on 29/3/2018. D, sir, the target date of completion is June 2023. E, sir, the amount sanctioned is 85 lakhs 84,600 and the amount utilized till date is 45 lakhs 59,441. F, no, sir. G, sir, the expected population to be benefited upon completion of the project is 7,760. Sir, provision for providing house service connections was not incorporated in the scheme as the household connections are being provided by the Bashno.
Your supplementary question, please, Bachas.
Honorable Speaker, sir, in the reply of the Honorable Minister, he has stated that the work is in progress, but the statement provided in the table of the House states the status as 100% completed. So can you please clarify on this?
Sir, I couldn't get the question, sir.
Sir, to answer to question 33A, whether the Pohkseh water supply scheme is still in progress, the answer by the Honorable Minister is yes, sir. It means still in progress. But on the statement provided in the table of the House, the status of the work states that it is completed 100%. So, can you please clarify on these two statements?
Yes, sir. It is completed. Only one issue was there for there was a collapse of one boat, this thing. So because of that, the progress has been shown here. So that needs some time to complete.
The submersible pump boring was completed on 25th of March 2022. 2 days later, sir, that bore collapsed, which means that the pump could not be utilized to draw water from the tube well. It says here, sir, that the work will be taken up in a few days. So just about a year has passed. So, can we get an exact date as to when this will be completed, sir?
Sir, it was taking some time just because the land could not be identified and the Bashno and also department has now identified. The work will be executed and it will be completed very soon, sir.
Sir, for the information of the House, this has been a recurring problem and a question being asked. We have approached the department many times through the Bashno and more than an MLA as a resident. I presume even the Honorable Minister was a resident of Pohkseh at one point of time. Yes. So, if this case can be given 100% priority because the land that has been identified is adjacent to the bore that collapsed. So, it's not that you have to go and acquire the land. But the progress has been very slow and tardy. So, if you have stated that the progress will be completed by 25th of June, but the statement of expenditure contradicts that because the sanction amount was 85 lakhs. It has taken you 5 years to utilize 50%. The balance 55% you only have 2 months. So, I have not put a question but a suggestion so that if some concrete steps is taken that This is not a major job. We have gone through this properly. If the Honorable Minister will perhaps like to visit the site and see for himself, it will perhaps expedite the progress and ease the problems of water supply in the area. After all, even the Deputy Chief Minister is a resident of the Pohkseh.
Sir, thank you for the suggestion from Honorable MLA from Nongtamai. Sir, Pohkseh is very close to my heart, sir.
Thank you.
And I'm very known to every resident of Pohkseh also. Sir, I'll take very keen interest in that. Just for the information of the House, the land which was given earlier was quite far, so the cost was a bit higher for, for the deep tube well. So therefore, the department has asked for another location which would be very, near to the village, and then it'll be, it could save the cost and will be implemented very soon. So now the Westnong has already located the place, and which will be executed very early. So I'll do take care what Honorable Member has suggested. Definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you.